pusę laiko. Čia dabar vyksta gyvūnų aktorių pasirodymas. Čia visi šitie gyvūnai yra dalyvavę filmuose.
Iris and Olympus are Eurasian eagle owls. You might recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. They play Draco Malfoy's owl. You've also seen them in the TV series Bones, CSI, Zoo, and a Geico commercial.
Nu parodo visiems. Pažiūrėk,
although these birds are not endangered, many native birds are. We ask you to do your part to help the animals both in the wild and in captivity, so that these majestic
Kas čia dabar bus?
Nice move, Sweet Pea. While Sweet Pea couldn't be here with us today, we want to show you our version of that high-flying scene with Diego, our green-winged macaw. Ariel is going to fly Diego up into a strong current of wind. Once Diego's in place, focus your attention to the screen in the center of our stage. You'll see how to here's the movies. Alright, very nice. One of the first basic behaviors that every good movie dog needs to know is something we call a mark. I can take this item, place it anywhere on the movie set or on the stage, and Dusty will know where he needs to stand for the scene. It's also very important when we train our dogs, we don't just train them using verbal cues. We train them using hand cues, because we can't talk over the actor's dialogue, just like in this scene.
Hook, with eyes blue as forget-me-nots, save when he clawed your belly with the iron hook he has instead of a right hand, at which time his eyes turn red.
What you don't see or hear is there's an animal trainer standing behind the camera, cueing the dog to back up just using hand cues. Right now I'm going to run through a few of Dusty's behaviors only using hand cues. Let's see how he does.
Čia tik rankomis dabar rodo, be garso rodo. Sako, kad filmuose negali kalbėti treneriai, tai jie viską rodo tik tai rankomis, ką jam daryti. Kad būtų tylu, netrukdytų filmavimui. Dabar tai rodo, kaip tai vyksta. Jinai jam tik rankomis sako, ką daryti. Rausti rodo. Bėg.
All right, nice job, Dusty.
Čia finalinė šou dalis. Tarsi pas juos visi pabėgo ir pasidarė nekontroliuojama. Kitas paršelis, taip juodas. Vegetarinis sumuštinis.
Nobody panic, everything's under control. We are trained professionals.
Sako, nepanikuokit, mes profesionalai, treneriai, viskas kontroliuojama. Nieko pavojingo nevyksta.
It's a stuffed animal. What do you do?
the cast of Universal's and our actors.